Seems like all the students are doing more on Strixhaven, like Quintorius can't. So after the Phyrexian invasion, Quintorius can spark ignites and planeswalks to multiple planes and starts to see these like coins that like are throughout the multiverse. Luckily, Saheeli Rai brings him back to Ixalan, her home plane, and says, look, I see these too. So he comes back to Strixhaven to tell Augusta she wasn't as lucky because she died, but came back as a ghost and is still a dean at Strixhaven. Quintorius wanted to continue their studies as a TA, so they wanted to join Augusta, and Augusta said, you know what, let's do it. Quintorius fell into these new artifacts, pun intended, and went back to Augusta to tell them that they were, but Stella Lee came to like find them and steal them, and then they have a fight. And that's the stories of field studies of a future tense.